Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can create an account on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to exness.com or you can click on the first link on the description. Then after that, click on register. Now you have to complete this CAPTCHA. So select it in this order, the first one and the second one. Then click on OK. As you can see, verification success. Okay, now you have to choose your country. So for me, it's Morocco. I will choose Morocco here. Now you have to add your email address here. So let's go to my Gmail account. I will use this account. Now here you have to enter your password and make sure the password is between 18 and 15 characters. If your password is more than 15 characters, it won't be accepted. And it must have at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least one number, and at least one special character. So for me, I will choose this one, just for this example. Okay. After that, we have here partner code. You can use this one. It's my code, it's my promotional code. If you want to use it, you can use it. I will leave it in the description box. So after that, click here. I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the United States, as you can see here. After that, click on continue. And now, as you can see, the account has been created. So now we have two choices. You can create a real account or you can create a demo account. So let's choose demo account for the first one. And let's go to personal area. So now we have to complete our profile. So click on complete profile. And as you can see, we have 3 steps to complete our profile. So click on get started now. And as you can see, check your email for a code. So let's go to our email. And this is the code. Copy it and paste it. Then click on continue. And as you can see, the first step is now validated. Now we have to confirm our phone number. Click on confirm phone. And here you have to enter your phone number. You can choose by SMS or by phone call. For me, I prefer SMS. Click continue. Then after that, click on continue. And as you can see, the phone number is now confirmed. Now we have to add profile information. Okay, click on complete now. And now you have to enter your first name. Make sure all of this are real. So for me, just for the sake of this video, I will type AB Emani. Enter your date of birth and make sure it's over 18. So let's say anything. Just make sure it's over 18. This will be real because they will see this date. And your residential address here, add your address. So for me, I will type anything just for the sake of this video. And you have to choose your gender. For me, it's male. Then click on continue. Now, what is the purpose of opening your account? We have investment, hedging, and speculation. You can choose any one of these, it doesn't matter. So I will choose investment, for example. Please select your source of income. I would say saving, and let's say employment. After that, click on continue. What is your occupation? What is your industry? Choose, for example, marketing. You can choose education, engineering, anything. Or you can click on other. After that, click on continue. Now choose one of these. And what is your employment status? So if you are a full-time employed, choose the first one. Part-time, choose the second one. So for me, I would say self-employed. What is your yearly income after taxes? So let's say this one. What is your safety trading experience with a real money trading account during the last 3 years? So you can choose one of these if you want. So mostly demo trading, have not traded less than 10 trades, or just let's say this one, just for example. How much time do you spend on market analysis? Less than 4 hours. Choose your time. So for me, let's say less than 4 hours. What is the anticipated monthly income? Up to choose anyone you want. What's your plans on trading within 1 year? Become trading coach, for example. What trading instrument do you plan to use? Choose anyone you want. Okay, after that, click continue. How did you know about Exness? So for me, let's say YouTube. And as you can see, all set for 30 days. You can deposit up to $2,000 in trade. After that, you will be asked to verify your identity. What they mean by verify your identity, you have to upload your either card ID or passport or driver's license. So if you want to do that now, click on verify identity. Now you have to enter your name, the legal name, the same name you have in your card ID or your passport or in your driver's license. After that, click on upload document. So if you don't live in the USA, choose the first one. And if you live in the USA, choose this one. So for me, I will choose non-US residents. Then click on continue and choose one of these. If you have a passport, driver license, ID card, residence card, or all ID card, choose one of these. So let's say ID card, for example. And here, upload the front and the back of your ID card. Then click on submit document. And after that, they will ask you to upload a verification address. And for that, you can just upload your electricity bill or your bank account statement. So if you want to create a demo account to start trading, just click on demo here. And as you can see, we have an account with $10,000. Just click on trade, choose Exness terminal. And as you can see here, this is the market. If you want to trade the USD, Euro USD, or GBP USD, or Bitcoin, or XO USD, or you can add other assets here, search for it, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.